To replace the main PCB, the first thing we need to do is power off the chair, then unplug it. Next, we'll remove the pads by detaching the hook and loop fasteners. Next, we'll press the backrest release lever and tip the backrest forward onto the seat. Then use a wire cutter to cut the zip tie that secures the backrest zipper. Okay, then we can open that backrest zipper. To expose the main PCB box. Then we'll need a Phillips head screwdriver to remove the 4 screws that secure the PCB box cover. Now we can remove the cover. Next, we need to cut the zip ties that secure the cable bundles. There's 2 zip ties. And then we need to disconnect the massage mechanism cables from the main PCB. So if you follow those 2 cables coming from the massage mech, and just locate all of those connectors and disconnect them. Once those cables are clear, we'll use a Phillips head screwdriver to remove the 4 screws that secure the PCB box to the massage mechanism. Then we can slide that PCB box away from the bottom of the backrest to expose the zip ties that secures the connectors in the lower part of the backrest. We need to carefully use a wire cutter to cut that zip tie. Then we can pull it out further and we can disconnect all of those connectors. And we can remove the PCB box from the chair. Okay, to install the new PCB box, we can place it into position. And then we can reconnect all the connectors. Okay, once all the connectors are connected, we can bundle up all those cables there and then use a new zip tie to secure the cables all together. Okay, then we can cut the excess zip tie. And then align the PCB box screw holes with the corresponding posts on the massage mechanism. And then replace those 4 screws to secure it. Okay, now we're ready to reconnect those massage mechanism connectors. And then replace the 2 zip ties to secure the cable bundles. Cut the excess zip tie. Next, we need to position the strain relief on each cable inside the corresponding slots on the PCB box. And then we can replace the PCB box cover, making sure no cables are pinched. And then replace the 4 screws to secure it. Okay, then we can close the backrest zipper. Install a new zip tie to secure the zipper. Cut the excess zip tie. Then we can raise the backrest to the upright position. place the backrest pad into position, and then secure it using the hook and loop fasteners. Then from the front, we can push the seat cushion back as far as it'll go and then push down firmly to secure it using the hook and loop fasteners. And finally, place the head pillow into position and secure it using the hook and loop fasteners. Okay, then we can plug in the chair, power it on, and we're done.